Welcome back. Now it's time to see how we can display some time, and first I'm gonna import the tkinter, import everything, and from time import also everything. I'm gonna paste this here, the window followed by window.main loop, and I'll type time underscore label equals to label. It's gonna be displayed in our window. It's gonna have a font of Arial of 50. We're gonna have a font color. It's gonna be equal to 00 FF00, and this should be in quotes. So quotes, and also background BG. Let's choose black, also in quotes, black. Then I'm gonna type here time label dot pack, and we're gonna call here an update function. I'll go up here and I'll type def update, and I'll type here time string equals to string format time codes. I'm gonna put %i. This means that we have a 12-hour format, colon %m for minutes, colon %seconds, and let's add a PM or AM after this. So I'm gonna put %p. Then I'm gonna type here time label dot config text equals to time string. Then I'm gonna type time. Let me actually show you this before I do that. So let's run this. Now we have 11:41:31 AM. So this is what we have here. Let's make it tick. So let's type time label dot after. So this is gonna call after 1 millisecond, 1000 milliseconds. So after 1 second, I'm gonna call the update. So this is gonna be a recursive call. It's gonna call the update after 1 milliseconds again and again and again. So if I run this, now as you can see, this is changing because this is calling that. Okay, now let's create another label. So I'm gonna copy this. I'll go up down here and I'll type label. I'm gonna get rid of this, and for the font I'm gonna choose ink free, let's say 25. I will go up here, I will copy this, I'm gonna paste it, I'm gonna delete this, and to display the day of the week we use %a. And I should change this to day label, and up here also time string. Let's change it to day string, and it's gonna say day label dot config text day string. So now if I run this, now we have Thursday being displayed, and we have this beautiful font. Alright, this is our discussion about clocks and how we can display time. I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.